Well, we did it again, another day with above normal temperatures. 86 degrees was the high today. The normal is 79. We went down to 63 this morning, where the normal low should be a nice chilly 57. The record high 93, so we were 7 off of that. That was set back in 1972. Outside right now, it's 85 with south winds at 14 miles an hour. We have dry air in place. See these high thin clouds that have rolled in. Those will stick around for the next several hours. We'll see clearing skies overnight. Ragweed was high today. Juniper also high, and elm is moderate. There are the clouds streaming from south to north across the area. Again, these will kind of fizzle out as we go through tonight. I want to show you Friday. Mostly sunny skies across the area on Friday. It'll be a nice day, just very warm. Today 86. I think tomorrow's 88. Okay, so we'll get a little bit warmer tomorrow afternoon. There's Dallas at 88, Denton 85, Waxahachie 85. Then as we get into Friday night, we're fine for Friday night football, no problems whatsoever. Saturday, we'll start to watch clouds build back in ahead of a cold front. That brings us a chance for scattered rain and a couple of thunderstorms across the area. I think the coverage is about 20 to 30%. The highest coverage will be in East Texas. This is 8 o'clock in the morning. We get into midday. We'll see some scattered rain. Get a couple rumbles of thunder are possible that'll roll through. There's 5. A couple thunderstorms that pop up in the afternoon and evening. That could be on the stronger side, especially out toward Paris, Clarksville, Texarkana, northeast of Tyler. This is the area where there could be some up to quarter-size hail or maybe a wind gust up to 60 miles per hour. Cold front right on top of the Metroplex at 9 o'clock in the evening. It'll roll through. It will briefly bring temperatures down. Before it gets here, we're back to the 90s Saturday afternoon. Then we go back into the upper 70s and low 80s on Sunday. So the risk for severe weather, it's east of the Metroplex, really. It's in East Texas, Clarksville, Gilmer, Longview. That's where it's a level 2 slight risk. And that's for what we would call marginally severe thunderstorms, where one could pulse up to 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts or quarter-size hail. For the Dallas-Fort Worth area, about half of the Metroplex not included in a risk for severe weather, but parts of Dallas and Collin County included, and maybe a gusty storm. The chances of that are extremely low. Saturday's rainfall, not much, and this isn't widespread. So, if you find yourself under that brief period of rain, you might get a trace to 1/4 of an inch. This is not going to completely, we're running a deficit. Now, obviously for the month, we've had 0 rain, but we're now running a deficit for the year and certainly for the fall. We've been so dry for the last, not only the last 2 weeks through the beginning of October, you go back the last 4 weeks, it's been very dry. So, the last month we've had very little rain, almost 0 for a lot of locations. Now, the dip is brief on Sunday. We go from 91 Saturday down to 79 on Sunday. We spike back up into the upper 80s on Monday, but another cold front comes in late Monday night, around midnight for the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Then that brings us back down to 82 degrees on Tuesday, which is still warmer than normal. These little cool downs we're getting are actually not as cool as they should be. 67 tonight, pleasant temperatures, light winds tomorrow, 88 degrees, mostly sunny. A warm day, a breezy day. Winds will be out of the south 10 to 20. 14-day forecast. Well, lots of ups and downs. Up Saturday, down Sunday, up Monday, down again Tuesday. Middle 80s Wednesday and Thursday. You might see a shower or thunderstorm toward the end of next week. Just a low coverage at this point, 10%. 85 next Thursday, upper 70s next Friday. Next weekend looks pretty nice. Better than this one, I would say, overall, because Saturday is going to be so warm at 91. We'll be at 80 next Saturday, 83 Sunday. And then beyond that, as we approach the day before Halloween, temperatures still look warmer than normal with highs in the upper 70s. Right now it looks dry.
That was all so much more coherent this time. Is it because Pete's here now?
Never heard of him.